Everyone dreams of having a cozy, inviting bedroom, a space that feels like a true retreat from the world, where you can unwind and recharge after a long day. But when money is tight, it can feel impossible to make a change. The idea of transforming your space might seem out of reach, especially when you see expensive makeovers online. I know that feeling well. I've been there, staring at my own plain walls, wishing for something more but not knowing where to start. A tired room can make you feel stuck, unmotivated, and even a little down. But a fresh space, even with small changes, can really lift your spirits and change your outlook. That's why I set myself a challenge. Could I transform my bedroom for only $100? I wanted to see if a limited budget could still create a big impact. We spend so much time in our rooms, sleeping, working, relaxing, and sometimes even eating or studying. They should be places that make us happy, not just spaces to sleep. Your room should reflect your personality and bring you comfort every single day. A change doesn't have to mean a full renovation or expensive furniture. Sometimes it's the little things that make the biggest difference. Sometimes a few simple switches, like new pillow covers, a plant, or a piece of art, make all the difference and breathe new life into your space. I wanted to prove that anyone, yes, anyone, can make their room look and feel better without spending a fortune. You don't need a huge budget to create a space you love. Doing this on a strict budget made me get creative. I had to think outside the box and find inspiration in unexpected places. It forced me to look for deals, reuse what I had, and focus only on the things that truly made an impact. Thrift stores, DIY projects, and repurposing old items became my best friends. I learned a lot along the way, not just about decorating, but about what really matters in a space and how to prioritize what brings you joy. Now, I want to share the step-by-step process so you can try it too. Whether you have a little or a lot to spend, you can make your room feel brand new. Let's jump into how I made every single dollar count, and how you can too. Get ready to see how small changes can truly transform your space and your mood. When you have just $100 to transform your space, you need a plan that's both creative and realistic. Every dollar counts, so it's important to be intentional from the very start. I started by making a list of what would give the biggest impact for the least amount of money. Prioritizing is key when your budget is tight. Paint is always my go-to for a fast, dramatic change. It's affordable, and a fresh coat can completely transform the mood of a room. That was my first priority, and I knew it would set the tone for everything else. Next, I wanted to hunt for a few unique pieces at local thrift stores. Thrifting is a great way to find character and charm without spending a lot, and you never know what treasures you'll discover. I also needed some new textiles, like pillows or curtains, to bring in comfort, warmth, and a pop of color. Soft furnishings can make a space feel inviting and fresh, even on a budget. Lastly, I saved a bit for small decor items to tie everything together. Candles, plants, and art prints add personality and make the room feel finished. Here's exactly what I spent, broken down to the last cent. Paint, 1 gallon plus a sample pot, came to $29.50. This covered the main wall and a small accent area. Thrift store finds, including a lamp and a vintage vase, totaled $24.75. Each piece added character and a story to my space. New pillow covers and a curtain panel cost $19.80. These small changes made the room feel cozier and more put together. Small decorative items like a candle, plant pot, and art print came to $19.55. These finishing touches really brought the room to life. That's $93.60 in total, leaving me with just a few dollars to spare. I kept a few dollars aside for any last-minute things, like extra screws, hooks, or even a small tool I might need. I didn't buy any big furniture. I made the most of what I already owned, rearranging and cleaning to give everything a fresh feel. That decision kept my spending down and made me appreciate the things I already had, giving old pieces new life and meaning. Tracking every dollar kept me honest and on target. It's easy to lose track, but writing everything down made a huge difference. It helped me focus on what would make the most difference and stopped me from impulse buying things I didn't really need. In the end, sticking to my budget made the transformation even more rewarding. If you only do one thing to your room, paint is the answer. It's the biggest change for the least money. I chose a soft, warm blush pink. It felt calming but still cheerful. 1 gallon was just enough for all 4 walls. I picked up a small tester pot in a lighter shade to paint some old picture frames, tying the look together. Painting took 1 afternoon. I pushed my furniture to the middle of the room and used painter's tape to get clean lines. The difference was instant. The whole space felt lighter and more inviting. Even the old furniture looked fresher against the new wall color. Don't be afraid to go bold or try something new with paint. If you rent, ask your landlord or use peel and stick wallpaper instead. Just one wall or even just painting the trims or door can give you that wow factor for barely any cost. Next, I hit up my favorite thrift and charity shops, which are always full of surprises and hidden gems if you know where to look. This is where you can get so much bang for your buck, stretching your decorating budget further than you ever thought possible. I gave myself $25, setting a strict budget to see just how much I could find without overspending. And with that, I ended up finding a sweet round side table, a woven basket perfect for storage or display, and a large ceramic lamp base that had so much potential for a quick DIY refresh. These 3 things added so much character and warmth to my space, all for just a fraction of what they'd cost new at a regular store. Thrifting is really about patience and keeping an open mind. You never know what you'll find if you're willing to take your time. I always look for quality over trend, solid wood, real glass, or unique shapes that stand out and feel special, rather than just following what's popular. I avoid anything that looks too worn, has deep stains, or would be hard to clean or repair, since some flaws just aren't worth the trouble. But sometimes, all it takes is a quick wipe down or a fresh coat of spray paint to make a thrifted find look brand new and totally unique. Don't be afraid to haggle or ask about discounts. Most thrift stores are open to negotiating, especially if you're buying several items. Stores often have sales or markdowns, especially on weekends or at the end of the month, so keep an eye out for those extra savings. If you don't find what you want on your first trip, don't get discouraged. Keep checking back, since inventory changes all the time. The best pieces often show up when you least expect them, making every visit a new adventure and a chance to discover something truly special. Textiles make a room feel finished, like, honestly, the icing on a cake. I set aside $20 for these. I found 2 pillow covers in the clearance bin at a big box store, and a simple white curtain panel at a discount home shop. Swapping out old faded pillows instantly made my bed look fresh and cozy. Curtains are seriously one of the quickest ways to make a space feel bigger and brighter. I hung my new panel higher above the window to give the illusion of height. Even though it was only 1 panel, it really softened the light and added some texture to the room. If you can sew or use fabric glue, you can make pillow covers from thrifted fabric or old clothes. Just look for textiles in colors that make you happy or patterns that add a bit of interest. Don't overthink it. Comfort is honestly the most important thing. With my last $20, I picked out a few small items that would pull the room together. I bought a soy candle in a fresh scent, a tiny plant pot, and I used a cutting from a friend's plant, and a downloadable art print that I framed myself. These little things made the room feel personal and complete. The candle made the space smell amazing, which honestly is a game changer. The plant brought in a bit of life and color. The art print, in a frame I already owned and painted to match my walls, gave me something inspiring to look at every day. Small decor doesn't have to be expensive. You can DIY a few things or swap pieces with friends. Reusing and upcycling is not only budget-friendly, but also makes your room unique to you. I promise total transparency, so here's the truth. I didn't buy any new furniture for this makeover. My bed, dresser, and main lamp are all things I already owned. The money went to paint, textiles, thrift finds, and small decor. Just what was needed to make the room feel brand new. If you have solid basics, don't feel like you need to replace them. Use throws, pillows, and paint to refresh instead. My total spend was $93.60, and nothing was hidden or sponsored. Every item was chosen with care, and I even managed to reuse some frames and plant cuttings for free. Being honest about what's new versus what's reused is so important. It helps everyone set realistic goals and know what's possible with a tight budget. Now, when I walk into my bedroom, I feel proud. The new colors are soothing and cheerful. The thrifted accents make it feel unique. The fresh pillows and curtain add softness, and the little decor touches make me smile. I feel more energized in the morning, and I sleep better at night. It's incredible how much your environment can change your mood. Even though I didn't spend much, the room feels completely different. Every piece has a story, like the lamp I found for $6 or the art print I made myself. The process of choosing each item made me appreciate my space even more. This makeover showed me that you don't need a big budget to love your home. You just need to make thoughtful choices and spend your money where it counts. If you're dreaming of a new look for your room, I say go for it. Start with paint, hunt for treasures, and add softness with textiles. Be honest about what you can reuse. Don't worry about perfection. Focus on what feels good to you. Take your time and enjoy the process. Small changes add up. Your room should be a place that reflects your style and makes you feel happy, no matter your budget. I hope my $100 challenge inspires you to start your own transformation. Remember, you don't need a lot of money to create a space you love. You just need a little creativity and the courage to try.